Everyone, and welcome to the new session. In this video we're gonna explain IPsec VPN IKEv version 2, but before we explain that we need to understand first what is the VPN. VPN is virtual private networks, is a secure encrypted connection of a less secure network, and also is commonly used by organization and individuals to protect the data. Okay, so someone asked what is the individuals and organization. You said is commonly used by these two kinda. Okay, for the first individual we can say the remote access VPN. So what is the remote access VPN? Let's imagine you are working from home and you want to access to network enterprise. Okay, in this case you need the VPN client. By installing VPN client, okay, at your laptop, you need here you will be able to access to the network. Okay, and also what about the organization? In organization it means what? It means let's suppose we have site-to-site VPN. For example, when we have two branches, and these branches is connected together via the internet. So in this case here, we should use the VPN. Okay, the VPN site-to-site. Let's move now to VPN types. As we said, we have, as you can see here, let's bring the laser pointer. Okay, as we said, the remote access VPN, we give an example when you are working from home, and site to site we give an example if we have two branches, you want to connect it to each other. Let's bring the pen for more to clarify it more. Okay, so here, yeah, so here let's imagine about the remote access. Let's suppose you are here, okay, and you are connected to the internet, okay, and this is your enterprise. For example, let's say A, or enterprise A, or service provider A, SP, let's see, SPA, and you want to access to this network. In this case, you're gonna install the VPN client, okay, VPN client to be able to access to your network enterprise or network service provider. For the site-to-site, for example, let's suppose you have a branch. Okay, we have HQ here. Let's suppose we have a HQ. This HQ connected to the internet. Okay, and we have other branches here. For example, branch A, and here we have, for example, branch B. Okay, so here to guarantee the communication between HQ, branch A, and branch B, you need to use the VPN. Okay, by using the VPN, we're gonna explain more. We need the IPsec. Okay, so also here we have multi-point. Okay, so we gonna explain also the point-to-point and the point-to-multi-point. Okay, or hub and spoke. Okay, for the third one, the client to the site, it seems like a remote access, but this is like a specific apps. For example, let's suppose to give a simple example. For example, we are at university. Okay, we are at university. Okay, and the university is offer already a training for the students for 1 month. Example. Okay, so now university will ask students to, if you want to access to these materials. Okay, you need to use a specific VPN. So this is what does it mean, the client side VPN. Okay, so let's move. This is just a small introduction about VPNs. In the VPNs we have a critical principles. So the VPN based on what? Based on this CIA. So what does it mean, CIA? So the first one is confidentiality. So what does it mean, confidentiality? So in the confidentiality, it means I want what? To protect my data. So how can I protect my data? By using the encryption. So in the encryption, we have types, sure, like what? Like 3DS, the DS, like ES, okay? So this is the confidentiality. Confidentiality, it means what? It means to secure what? My data, okay? Second one is integrity. This is the integrity. What does it mean? This is to not protect my data, or to protect the data from what? From tampered, okay? So for example, protect my data for the modification or tampered. For regarding authentication, authentication is related about what? About the username and password, for example, between devices or users. For example, when I give the password like pre-shared key or a certificate, it should be the same one, and we gonna explain that on the lab, okay? I hope everything is clear now. So now in the next video, we're gonna move directly to what? To the lab. Thank you so much for your watching. See you in the next video. Let's move to second slide, which is IKEv version 1 and IKEv version 2. So our focus will be only in the IKEv version 2 because this is the most used in enterprises and service provider. So IKEv version 1 and IKEv version 2 are version for internet key exchange. This is what does mean, the IKEv protocol, which is used to set up secure authenticated communication channel over IPsec VPN. So now let's move to make difference between what? Between IKEv version 1 and IKEv version 2. Okay, let's bring the pen. Okay, so in the IKEv version 1, this has two phases. Has the phase number 1, okay, and phase number 2. Phase 1 is called also ISACamp, okay, and this is phase 2, also called IPsec phase, okay, IPsec phase. Okay, great. So phase 1, what is the rule of the phase 1? This is just to establish a secure authenticated channel, okay? So this is a phase, authenticate both party and negotiate the encryption key. So what does it mean? So it means it just focus on the channel or secure the channel. This is the phase 1, and also called ISACamp. For the ISACamp is Internet Security Association and Key Management Protocol. Okay, so as a summary, phase 1, what the rule of it? Okay, it's just to secure the channel. Okay, if we move to the phase 2, phase 2 is called what? Is called IPsec. Okay, it's called IPsec. This phase is focus on the data, or secure my data traffic. Okay, so as a summary, phase 1 is to secure the channel, and phase 2 to secure what? To secure the data traffic. This is about what? About IKEv version 2. If we move now to IKEv version 2, is combine these two, okay, combine these two, phase 1 to phase 2 to one phase. Okay, so if we make difference between IKEv version 1 and version 2, it's like only how can I say it, combine two phases in one phase. This is the difference between IKEv version 1 and version 2. So someone asked what is the benefits here? What is the benefit if I use IKEv version 1 and IKEv version 2? Sure, this is to speed the process, because when you are in the IKEv version 1, you have at least 6 messages or more, okay? So in the IKEv version 2, so you have the message of negotiation less than IKEv version 1, okay? I hope so this is clear, okay, as a theory, okay? In the next video, we're gonna go directly to the lab and how to configure IKEv version 2 or the IPsec VPN IKEv version 2. Thank you so much, and see you in the next video.